Hey y'all, Joe here again with Magnolia Blade and Gun. Hope you all enjoyed my videos now that I'm back kind of doing some of them. Got another treat for you tonight. This is a pistol, and this one's kind of going out of order. This is one that I just got, but I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing video on it, and the reason for that is I want to show this off while a lot of places are kind of running a special on it. So I figured that'd be a good idea. This particular pistol is made by FN, or it's an FNX-45 tactical. It's the FDE version. I'm gonna show it to you right down here, okay? Kind of an unboxing type video, okay? This is how it comes, y'all. It comes in this really nice case, zipper case. At least that's how it's coming right now. Really cool, and I actually got a promotion. I think the promotion's over now, where they sent you a free red dot Vortex, kind of an RMR type thing. But anyway, it still comes in this case. All right, nice heavy zipper on here. I mean, this is a good quality case. A YKK zipper, so I mean, you know, whenever something's got one of those on there, heavy duty, nice little case. Let's open it up here. I like to go this way with it for y'all. All right, you've got some literature here, stuff like that. Of course, you have the firearm packed right there. Let's flip this around. And it comes with 3 magazines, 3 15-round magazines, I believe. Also, you've got this little pouch here. It's got some more, these are little things that you can put on your grips. Also losing my train of thought right now. You know what I'm talking about, the back slabs for the grips to make the grip larger or wider or however you want it. Also has, let's see what else is in this little pocket here. Well, I think this whole thing can pull up. Actually, this is all Velcro. Pretty neat. See how it is right there? Let's see what it's got. It's something else. This is open here. Okay, slide the side slabs too. So you got the rear slabs and the side ones that you can replace. That's what that is right there. So anyway, you've got all that going on there. Man, that's some strong Velcro. And of course, you got your extra magazines here. Really nice magazine. I'll tell you what, one thing, these magazines are expensive. They're about $50 a piece if you have to, if you want to go buy some extras. Again, this comes with 3. I know a lot of people like to at least have 5. Over here, of course, your gun lock. I don't know about those. So let's take a look at the firearm itself. Get it out of here. The first thing I noticed, y'all, I'm used to mostly the 9mm pistols and stuff like that, and the duty size. This is a large gun. I mean, this gun here is overall length about 7.9 inches, okay? Its height is about 6.5. It's about 1.6 inches wide. It's a thick gun. I mean, it's a 45, okay? Sight radius is 6.4. Weighs about 33.5 ounces. So this is no slouch. It's no small gun. I'll just kind of go over some of the specs. Anyway, it's a double action, single action. It holds 15 rounds. They do make 10-round magazines for those of you who aren't allowed. It's got an overall barrel length of 5.3 inches here. Let me hold it a little bit closer so y'all can see. Twist rate of 1 1/16 inch. Trigger pull is 8.8 to 12 pounds or 3.96 to 5 pounds. I suppose that's talking is single action versus double action, stuff like that. Okay, it's got raised 3-dot night sights. So if y'all can see that there. Hopefully on the back, so it's got 1, 2, and of course this dot up here. The raised 3-dot night sights, that's nice. And again, because this is the tactical, they are raised because obviously you've got your threaded barrel here. And it's got the thread protector on it. Really, really smooth coming off here. I hate to stay all the way off, but just so you can see the thread, see what I'm talking about there. This, obviously made to run a suppressor with this guy here. Its thread is 0.578 by 29 TPI with thread protector. And I just hate always nervous putting these thread protectors back on because you don't want to strip your threads. But it's going on really good. It's got a bunch of oil and stuff like that on there. Slides, stainless steel construction. External extractor, loaded chamber indicators. It's got, let's see, slide cut out and threaded for, oh yeah. So of course you cut out here, threaded for the red dot. And obviously I will be putting one of those on there. Cold hammer forged stainless steel barrel. Polished chamber feed ramp. The frame is polymer. It's got the interchangeable back straps. Lanyard eyelet. Little lanyard eyelet on the back of there. It's got the little eyelet here. Like I said, I don't know what you do with that. I guess you could put a little piece of paracord or something on there if you wanted to. Okay, now it's got the ambidextrous safety here. I don't know if I showed you that. All right, and then also, of course, you know, it's got the, you can drop the hammer just like that. Okay, hammer safety, just like that. Okay, decocker. All right. So you can carry it like that. You can drop the hammer. You can also, you could hold it like this, have it like cocked. Go ahead and just put it on safe if you wanted to. I would probably just, you know, use the decocker. I don't know. That's totally up to you. I'm not going to get into all that debate. But anyway, you know, of course, you can carry it cocked and, you know, ready to blow. You can put the safety on, or you can use it like this. And you could do, you know, of course, your double action type thing. Okay. Really, really cool. Takedown, fairly simple. Your takedown lever, you just pull it back, push that down, just like you would do, you know, one of your polymer pistols or something like that. But I am really excited about it. I can't wait to give it a try, get it out in the range, you know, to see what happens, and get a silencer for it. Oh, one more thing I wanted to show you. I pulled this stuff out here. You can't, it's just the back straps that you can change out. The side plates do not change out. What we had in here is the back straps here, different back straps. And then these plates are plates for different RMRs and stuff that go up here, okay? So once you take this, the gold piece off here, or the gold, you know, tan, then you can put your different plates to fit different type of RMRs and stuff like that. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed my quick little, you know, unboxing kind of review of the FNX-45 Tactical. I think it'd be really cool if they came out with 9mm version, but we'll see. I'm really excited about this gun, getting to shoot it and stuff like that. So thank y'all so much. Y'all have a good night. God bless y'all. Please like my videos, sub my channel.